So Allah says, وَاصْبِرْ نَفْسَكَ, and keep yourself patient by being with those who call upon their Lord in the morning and the evening. So what kind of patience is this? Number one, number two, or number three? Half an hour later. What are we doing here, guys? It's Maghrib, it's not Isha. We haven't had lunch yet. What type of the three patience is this? Number one, to be patient upon ta'ah, upon doing good deeds. So Allah is commanding His messenger, and by default, this command is for us to be patient. So many times it's difficult for us to respond to an invitation of a friend to attend a talk, or a circle of knowledge, or a banquet for aqiqah or walima, which I'm obliged to respond to. But I feel tempted to go elsewhere, to attend a hockey match, maybe some sports event, maybe some gathering that has haram elements into it, or watch a movie. So this is the temptation we are getting. You have to be patient. Make yourself patient by being with those. This command fits us as a glove in this kafir country. If you neglect having buddies, Muslim friends, society, community, an environment that you would hang out with, be with, people that would have your back, it's not long before you go astray. Why? This is human nature. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, إِنَّمَا يَأْكُلُ الذِّئْبُ مِنَ الْغَنَمِ الْقَاصِيَةِ. A wolf would not attack the herd of sheep because they're together. He waits until one of them sheep says, I've had enough with these guys, I'm going for a smoke. And it drifts a little bit away from the congregation. This is when the wolf attacks. And likewise, this is what shaitan does. If you're on your own, shaitan hits you the hardest. But when you are with the Muslims, with the community, Assalamu alaikum, alaikum assalam, jazakallahu khairan, barakallahu feek, akhi, this is some sambusa, this is some shurba, we have this, we have that, let's go play football together. It's a Muslim environment. You still belong. You have this belonging, you have this identity. But when you don't, you start drifting. You start going astray. Tomorrow, maybe do your hair like Mr. T. You shave it from the sides, and I don't know what, tomahawk or what they call it, whatever. And then a few weeks later, maybe a little earring. Looks cool. In one ear, not both, huh? So that they don't mix you up. Then maybe you get a tattoo, a little bit, akhi, the bling blings, mashallah, and whoa, what is this? And then you change your name, huh? From Muhammad to Mo, mashallah, everybody knows. Short for moron. Anyhow, so what is this? You've lost your identity, akhi. And this is dangerous. You have to have people that have your back. Akhi, what are you doing? Haram. When we're eating, akhi, you're eating with your left, eat with your right. Okay, I need someone to put me back on the straight path, to remind me. Akhi, you're wearing your finger in the haram finger. You can't wear it in the index and the middle finger. This is haram. I didn't know that. Now you know. And so on. People tell me, akhi, I haven't seen you in Fajr Salat for a couple of weeks. Watch out, you're in danger. Last Jum'ah I didn't see you. And they remind you, you remind them, and you keep on doing this until you meet Allah in Jannah. But if you don't, you have a problem.